Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kabocha no omiso shiru. It's Kabocha squash miso soup. Very simple and easy, but delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Kabocha no omiso shiru, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some kabocha squash. This is little less than 400 grams. Some green onion. 2 teaspoons of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of miso paste. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So green onion. Cut them into half, put them together. And let's just make thin slices. I'm going to use this at the end, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Kabocha squash. Let's just cut it into small bite-sized pieces. Put them in the container. Put about a tablespoon of water. Put the cover on and microwave. You can cook the kabocha squash in the broth, but kabocha squash is very soft when it's cooked and it's easy to dissolve. So I normally cook it separately and put them together. I did 6 minutes at 600 watts. 3 minutes first, mixed it, and 3 more minutes. And the toothpick can easily go through. And it's time to make it into the soup. 3 cups of water. That was 2 and 1. Hondashi, Japanese soup stock, and kabocha squash. Turn the heat on and bring it to right before boiling. As I said, kabocha squash is very easy to dissolve, so make sure not to bring it to full boiling. You can see the steam coming up, so it's right before boiling. Let's add the miso paste. Turn the heat to low. Put miso in the strainer. By using this kind of strainer, you don't have to worry about having chunk of miso in your soup bowl. Dunk the strainer and push the miso out. It's completely dissolved. Turn the heat off and let's add the green onion. Give it a gentle stir. And it's done. Let's serve in the soup bowl. Kabocha no miso shiru is ready to go. Super easy, too easy almost. Time for the tasting. You can sip the miso soup straight from the bowl. It's such a simple soup, but it's full of umami. Let's try some kabocha squash too. It's so sweet, soft and fluffy. Perfect match with the salty soup. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kabocha no miso shiru goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about oyster chicken for the main? Bean sprout and wakame seaweed salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!